Hey y'all, it's Vonda. Hope everybody's having a winning Wednesday, a wonderful Wednesday, or making it through the middle of the week hump day, guys. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Again, my name is Vonda, and I just wanted to jump on here and tell y'all that, just believe in yourself, folks. Just believe in yourself. I would have never have thought this time last year that my life would be going in the direction that it's going in. But within the year, when I decided to seriously get serious about my own future and about my legacy. I have 5 granddaughters, y'all hear me talk about a lot, or see something on my Facebook page to show about one of my beautiful girls. But guys, I'm leaving a legacy, and what I have to do is I have to have faith in myself, and I have to believe in myself that what I'm going to leave for my granddaughters is not just something that they'll talk about their nana in passing, but something that's going to take care of them every day, throughout their everyday life. Something that's going to, even when I'm not here and not able to be a part of their life, I still want to cradle them in some kind of safety. So when I work for my future, guys, just know that I work for their future. And I do want to say again, believe in yourself. If I'd have never believed in myself and taken a little bit of extra money, actually, I kind of scraped up money I didn't have and just made it happen. But I'm so thankful to God that I did. Because on a Wednesday, guys, I can just eat too many grapes, do laundry, and actually do whatever I want. God bless me enough to be able to do that, and it's getting better every day. But I won't take up no more of your time. Y'all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.